Rice water is one of the beauty secrets of China, Japan, and other Southeast Asian women, which is rich in beauty minerals and vitamins. It can be concentrated or diluted and even fermented to bring out most of its benefits. In this video, we are going to share with you a recipe to make an anti-aging rice water face mask that will make your skin look 10 years younger. Follow this simple remedy and just forget about chemical-based products. You will need half cup of rice, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Procedure: take the rice and cook it until it softens. Put raw rice in cold water and gradually cook it over medium heat. When the rice is cooked, strain it. Do not dispose of the liquid. Wash the boiled and drained rice in cold water and add 1 tablespoon of warm milk in it. Stir to equalize and add 1 tablespoon of honey. When the mixture is united, apply the mask to a cleansed face and neck. Leave it to act for half an hour and rinse it with the liquid. You can keep the rice water in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. You can also freeze it in ice molds and use it to massage your face. Benefits of rice water face mask. This face mask is rich in vitamin B complex that stimulates growth and cell renewal, slows down aging, and improves the blood supply to the skin. Everything you need for glowing facial appearance. It has moisturizing, antioxidant, and healing properties that help to improve circulation, prevent or fade age-related spots, and ease inflammation to give you better moisturized, healthy, and clear skin. As long as it's left on the skin, rice water is even believed to offer mild protection from the sun. Rice water also cools the redness of an outbreak. It acts as an astringent on the skin, tightening the pores.